Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure extended warranty claims with Discover, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all necessary documentation related to your purchase. Ensure you have your original receipt or proof of purchase handy. Locate your extended warranty information provided by Discover. Check the warranty terms to confirm coverage details. Visit the Discover website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Claims section of the website. Read through the instructions provided for submitting a claim. Select the option to file a new claim. Input the required information about the item in question. Attach any requested documentation, such as your receipt. Be sure to include any photos of the item if necessary. Review all entered information carefully for accuracy. Submit your claim for processing. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your claim submission. Track the status of your claim through your account. If you have questions during the process, contact Discover's customer support for assistance. Once your claim is approved, follow the instructions provided to receive your reimbursement or replacement. Keep all correspondence for your records. That concludes the step-by-step guide on configuring extended warranty claims with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.